Hello, I'm Shriteja. I come from Mumbai, India, but I've come here to pursue MBA Analytics. When I started looking for things which could collaborate business and technology, Stevens Institute of Technology was the right fit for me because it would bridge all the things that were lacking for me. That is what I was actually looking for when I joined MBA Analytics, that I could actually have a blend of all the business things plus how analytics can help business. So working on different projects in each of my courses, various projects in each of one of them, then working in the industry capstone project, and also working on my positions like graduate assistant, research assistant and teaching assistant helped me bridge the gap between what I wanted. I'm very thankful to all the faculty who have come in contact with, especially during my coursework. I would like to mention is Sibel Ozgin. Her leader development class was one of the most helpful class when it comes to the strategies or how being a leader doesn't mean that you have to always be managing. You have to know yourself before you start doing that. I always took initiative in coming and participating in the events that Stevens holds. Even if I was not out there talking to everybody, I would make sure I would attend those events. There were events wherein the panels came who are the alumni of Stevens and now they are working in a very full-time job, which is a very good job and position. So when they talked about their experiences, I could understand that okay, even they weren't perfect. They tried and built what they have today. Have confidence in yourself, have that positivity that you will achieve where you actually eventually want to get. So a little bit of shyness doesn't work out so much here. We have to go out there, talk to people, make sure you have good connections, good network, and make use of the resources here at Stevens. Stevens has amazing resources. The day I walked in my first class of my last semester, I was definitely nostalgic that now it's just one semester remaining, but I'm grateful for all the things that I've learned here, and I want to make the most out of this last semester that is here, not just focusing on the job opportunities, but also making good connections here with the professors, with the teachers,